Welcome students in our mathematics class of class 10th, introduction of trigonometry, that is our topic. And in this topic we have to find some values of all the t ratios, that is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. In part 2 and part 3 we have to derive all the values, but today we write very easy method to find the value of some degrees of t ratios, that is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degrees of all t ratios. So first of all, now we have to write this, that is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Now make the column. This one is here, and this one is, now this, write first of all, that is digit, that is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And again we have to all divided by 4, that is 0 by 4, 1 by 4, here 2 by 4, that is 3 by 4 and now 4 by 4. And again we take their square root, this one, this is also square root in, this is also square root, now root 3 by 4 and now here root 4 upon 4. Again make the column this type. Now write the first, the value of sine. Now this, that is 0 by 4 in square root, here 0, 1 by 4 in square root, that is 1 by 2, 2 by 4 in square root, that is 1 by root 2. Now this root 3 by 4, 2, sorry, and again this one is 1 here, that is, look here, that is sine 0 degree, this is 0, 30 degree, 1 by 2, 45 degree, 1 by root 2, 60 degree, root 3 by 2 and 90 degree, this is 1. Again we can write in case of cos, that is cos, the right here from this side, that is 1, it can be written as here, that is 1, 0 degree, for reverse order, that is 1, sin 90, that is cos 0 are equals, this one is again root 3 by 2 right here, again this can be right also in this place and this is also in this place, and now 0, that is here. Okay, this is the value of cos 0 degree, 1, cos 30 degree, root 3 by 2, cos 45 degree, 1 by root 2, cos 60 degree, 1 by 2 and cos 90 degree, that is 0. And now in case of tan, now here tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta, and cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. Again sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta, and cosec theta is equal to 1 upon, now this sin theta. So we have to find tan की value, that is tan 0, Now tan is equal to sine upon cos, so 0 upon 1, that is 0. Here 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, that is 1 by root 3. Both are cancels, so it is 1. Root 3 by 2 upon 1 by 2, that is root 3, and 1 by 0, that is in case of infinite. Now again look here, that is 1 upon 0 can be written is infinite. Okay. In case of cot, reverse of tan, that is root 0 degree is equal to 90 degree. This is root, that is infinite. Root 3, 1, here 1 by root 3, and this is 0. Now in case of sec, that is sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. So sec is reciprocal of cos, that is sec 0 degree reciprocal of 1, that is 1. This 2 by root 3. Now 1 by root 2 reciprocal root 2. This one is 2 and 1 by 0, that is also infinite. And then at last we have to find the value of cosec here, that is cosec. Reverse of sec are reciprocal of sine, that is sine ka reciprocal 0, that is 1 by 0. Infinite reciprocal of 1 by 2, that is 2. Reciprocal of this root 2, reciprocal of this 2 by root 3, and reciprocal of 1, so it is also equal to 1. This is very easy table. We have to find some values of all the t ratios, that is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree of all the t ratios. Thank you.